My name is Kaylie Kendrick. I'm on the softball team, and my major is sustainable resource management. What got me into softball was just playing from a very young age. I started probably when I was like 7 or 8, just doing like rec ball, and then growing up being able to have the opportunity to play travel and varsity. Just the environment that I had, it definitely caught my interest young. During my time at Morrisville, I've been able to grow academically by being able to experience all the different aspects that my major personally has. So you could definitely take what you want out of the program and get the best of it. Your hands-on experiences are unmatched compared to a lot of the other schools, and the support you'll get, whether that's in the classroom or athletics, I think rivals a lot of our neighboring schools. All across the board, whether you're interested in forestry or aquaculture, wildlife, anything in between, there's a lot of opportunities to really get out and take what you're learning in the classroom to the field. I would describe the facilities that we have here at Morrisville as being really beneficial, whether that's the athletic facilities and the indoor turf space that we have, to the lab spaces we have, and all of the outdoor fieldwork labs and experiences we're able to have. My goals in the classroom include staying on the dean's list, doing the best I can in my major, continuing the hands-on experiences, while still balancing life as a student athlete. 2 professors that really stand out to me are Jessica Sarr and then Bill Snyder. They're both probably my most frequently seen professors. Snyder's my advisor, but they both go above and beyond to support me in the program and even come to some of our games. I think here at Morrisville, being a student athlete is a really big part of who I am. And being able to continue that here at Morrisville, I think has just been a really great way to spend my college experience so far. At times it can be stressful, especially with the practice schedule and the games once season gets going, but I am lucky enough to know that the professors here, as well as my coaches, are more than understanding. My friends and family, which does include my teammates, is probably my biggest support system here. As a team, I think one of our biggest goals coming into a new conference is to really show what we are capable of and what, under our new leadership, we're able to accomplish. My most memorable moment is probably making postseason last year when we got to go to Maine. That was a great time, and just really working together to get to that point, I think, was a great experience. My favorite aspect of SUNY Morrisville is definitely the sense of community that it has. Regardless if it's an in-major community or the clubs or athletics, I think just the ability to find something and feel connected to it here. There's something for everyone.